Now you've got a good looking beard. Actually, it's looking a little patchy. Let's talk about that. Hey everyone, my name is Scott with Vault Life Proof Grooming. Now in the days of social media, it is so tough to see full, thick, dense beards. Now with that being said, there might be some hurdles that you might be going through causing the patchy beard. Now that first one I want to talk about is age. When we hit puberty as males, we start growing facial hair. But as the years keep rolling, when we hit that 20 to 25, if things aren't going well, you might be stuck. Now with me, when I turned 25, I knew I could grow a full thick beard. But anytime after that, you're kind of stuck. And with that, age is definitely gonna tell the tale if you've got a patchy beard. Now number two, which you're not in control, is gonna be your genetics. Think your mother's grandfather. That's right. Science say that your mother's grandfather will determine if you have balding beard. So with this one, it's out of your control. It's in your DNA. It doesn't matter how much product, how many things that you use to your beard. It's not gonna grow. It's all up in your genes. Thanks, Dad and Grandpa. You gave me a good beard. Appreciate it. Number three, and a little more of a serious note, is hormone imbalance. Let's say you got a little bit of an issue with your hormones. That might not produce you a big beard. For instance, if you have low hormones, low testosterone, let's say you had testicular cancer. Pray to God that doesn't happen to me. That might lower your inability to grow a beard. So, the way to supplement it is to use supplements. That's right, TRT, HGH, that might be a route for you. Actually, maybe go talk to your doctor. That's a good call. Finally, number four is gonna be alopecia, and that is actually baldness in your beard. And these are spots, like bald spots, polka dot spots. Crazy enough, this is common in men. The reason why it's so common, it's like male pattern baldness. You got a big spot on your head, you're gonna have a big spot on your cheek. And once again, you might wanna talk to your doctor to get that resolved. Hey doc, what do I need? There are obviously ways around it. To consult your doctor, take some supplements, but in the end, what you need to do is have confidence in what you got. So don't fret, if you got a balding beard, go to the mustache. It's a great backup. And you guys, seriously, this is something that happens to everybody in the world. So don't think you're gonna have this glorious masculine beard. Not everybody's the same. People are different, ethnicity, race. The main thing is to have confidence and happiness in your life. So no matter what you do or what you grow, be the best person that you can be. With that, I will see you in the next video. Have a good one.